Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 5.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices rose as broad hopes for a demand recovery persisted despite new outbreaks of the highly contagious Delta variant of the coronavirus, prompting fresh mobility curbs worldwide. The U.S. dollar was on track for its biggest single-day gain in 7 trading sessions as coronavirus measures threatened to snuff out global economic recovery. A market cool down and growing use of Layer 2 solutions that work alongside the blockchain have helped to push down Ethereum gas fees to a 6-month low.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The UK's current account will be released at 600 GMT, Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index at 2230 GMT, the UK's Gross Domestic Product at 600 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will be released at 1345 GMT, Germany's unemployment rate at 755 GMT, Germany's unemployment change at 755 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.